Yo boys, how's it going? I didn't want to make this video because it's really annoying for me. Like, I hate doing this, but it just needs to be done. And I've told you guys about it before. The rust on the Dodge. 3 out of 4 fenders had rust. So I dealt with 1 so far. 2's halfway done and I'm just starting the 3rd, so I thought I'd make a video on 1. This is just my knowledge of rust repair. This isn't Chris Fix, the best in the world. So it's not bad, but it's not the greatest either. So yeah, really bad. Like, I did a piss poor job before, like really quick, because I just wanted to stop it. It didn't stop spreading. So like, I put Bondo here and like I sprayed here. Like, I've peeled so much off, and this is all good to keep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand it all down. I've done it. I'll show you the one I did. This side is in the works right now, and it's actually really good compared to my front one. You'll see in a sec. So I took my time more with this one, but the thing is I have to daily this thing, so I kind of need it. Like, I can't let stuff drive the best. Like, I need to rip. So you can see this one, mud on it. This was like a half-ass. Like, you can tell, like you see the line, but it's better than rust. This though, I'm not even kidding, this big of a hole the whole way down. Like, this is all big gap filler, like that spray foam, and it worked pretty good. Like, this is all hard. Like, it'll be good for a while, and I might have to go over it again. Like, there's a few cracks, looks like. I might have to do a bit better of a job on this one, but it looks better than a huge massive hole. No, this one's pretty good. This one's actually the best one so far. So this is fresh right there, so I'm just waiting for that to dry. It already got worse before it got better. So this hole was there, I just showed you. Now this is really messed up. So it literally, there's a gap in between. That's how bad it rusted. It didn't rust through here, so I think I'm gonna have to sand that and save that at the back, so it's not a like hole through like this. But that's insane. Like, jeez, man. So I've got a lot of bondoing to do. I'm gonna get sanding though, and I'll show you guys at the end what I did. So filled that hole pretty good. This is just one application of Bondo. Almost filled that hole. I got that stuff you put behind. I had to like hot glue it so it'd actually stay. That's not bad. So, and then really thin Bondo, except in that hole. But looks mint. I do have a orbital sander, whatever you call it, and it makes this job way easier. Now I'm gonna head inside for the night because it's freezing and I can't see anything, and I'll be back on it tomorrow.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, this is a week later from the previous footage. Obviously you guys are seeing it in one video, but whatever. So this is the rear now. I finished it, I forgot to video it. I'm still working on the other side. Now this side is the one that had, yeah, you can see, really bad. But this side, really happy with. Like, in person, the only way you can tell is if you actually stare at it. But if you look at like the wheel, you can't even tell. See, I just wanted to stop the rust. Like, I'm getting big flares eventually, and we're gonna have to do some sanding to get this nice and even. I got the sander, and then we're gonna paint it. All right, I'm gonna start sanding it down here. See how it goes. Okay, there she is. Now, pretty smooth. You guys obviously can't really tell, but a bit bumpy. You can tell the bumps, like you can see, like that stuff. Now, a hole there. I think primer might be able to fill that a little bit. So realistically, I'd do another Bondo over this, I think, like just a little bit for like this stuff. Like, that's like barely any Bondo. But I'm gonna send it with the primer because I'm tired of waiting on this stuff. Want to get it done. Driving out of the Bondo truck right now. It's a 4th gen, so it's not even that old. Now I'm not gonna mask because it leaves that line as you guys saw. So here's what I'm using. Primer from Tremclad. They're literally the best brand. Yet to find anything better, you know what I'm saying? So now what I'm gonna do is just spray in this area as much as I can, and then I'll cover the rest in white, obviously. I'm not leaving it gray, but you're gonna see how it blends without masking tape. It's awesome. Put spray in here. So I like to do a thick coat, and then we'll see how it goes from there. And I don't want the overspray to get too far. Kind of stay nice and close. Now you guys might want to mask like just for the overspray, but for me, my truck's filthy right now, so wherever the overspray goes, it goes. Straight up, I don't really care that much. I already got overspray on it from spraying the bumpers, even though I masked the living heck out of it. Still got overspray on it. But whatever, that's the way it goes. So there we go. Now that, I'll put the picture up of previous. You can tell that area was really hard to work with. Like, I had to put that mesh back there and stuff. Let's give it a little wipe down with the old hand. So what we're gonna do is just spray in this area, and hopefully that line evens out. All right, let's see if this works. We got the color match. It's gonna be right. Let's get this dirt off here. This one's cracking up. The spray foam, I didn't sand it down enough, so it's some of it's at the surface. Like, it's not Bondo here. I'm an idiot, I know. Whatever, there she goes. Oh shit. There it is. Okay, that looks way better. Like, obviously, not pro, we've gone over this, but mint. I'm really excited that I fixed that. Now, let's get some mud on the rig, won't even tell. So there's still more rust, believe it or not, here. Tailgate, just a bit rusty there. Now from back here you can't tell. The other thing, ready. Oh my gosh, man. I looked at this thing in the rain and it just looked like water. Like, I didn't even think about rust, because it is 10 years old, but like, I guess my fault, but wowzers. All right, we're busting out the white here. Hopefully it goes good. Hopefully she's mint. Just get this guy. Okay. Start up here. Wow. Getting there. So you guys can see the overspray. Some mint. Give that a little bit to dry. And there it is. All she wrote. Good enough for me, so it should be good enough for you guys, because it's my truck. The tire's not actually white, that's just dust from sanding. I had it masked. I was painting, the only thing I had masked. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. We're at 138 now. So we're almost at 150. And I appreciate all the subscribers, you guys are awesome. We're trying to pump out content. The next video is gonna be a banger, okay? Promise, a banger. I'm getting spacers for this thing. I have one of those pedal commanders coming, not like the actual one, the eBay, a budget one. And I think that's it right now for it. So spacers, 2-inch spacers, and the throttle control. And then we're gonna be doing oil changes on our truck, or the truck and the Jeep. Just doing some maintenance. This thing hasn't really been taken care of that well by the old owner, as you could tell. So I gotta take it from here. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. We'll catch you next time. Peace.